Hello friends, welcome to Days in Life. Today we will discuss another interesting topic, how to build a good relationship with everyone. What is the importance of having good network and good relationship? And we will discuss about what are the key principles of making good relationship or good network with everyone. So when I say good relationship with everyone, first people think about, is it really possible? Yes, it is possible, and it's very much possible. There is a saying, you may not be able to win friends, but don't make enemies. आप चाहे दोस्त ना बनाओ, लेकिन दुश्मन कभी मत बनाओ. That is how the important is making network and relationship. See, we are no more working in the era of government job, where vacancies or the tender, those things are very open and transparent for everyone. Now it's private sector. Job may come and go. Tender may come and go, or business opportunity may come and go. You will not know, because private companies are not liable to put in the notice, or they're not liable to tell everyone. So here, some people will come out, know about opportunities available. So information is key. If you are knowing about the vacancies, you can apply, you can get a job. If you know about some purchase opportunity, you can apply, you can get this purchase order. And if you does not know, you will lose the business opportunities. So information, network and relationship are the real assets. Question comes, can we keep good relationship with everyone? I'll give you some example. First, I'll tell you a small story. And I'll tell a story in our own language, Hindi. पहले एक राजा थे, और राजा ने अपने राज्य में he see one portrait, एक बड़ा पोर्ट्रेट लगा हुआ था. It was very beautiful. तो he called his mantris and says के ask your painters to put my portrait in this chalk of the state. Mantri called up all the famous painter of the state and asked them to do the job, but most of them denied. Reason what? राजा की एक आंख नहीं थी और एक पैर नहीं था. राजा अपना एक आंख और एक पैर किसी लड़ाई में लड़ते हुए खो चुके थे. जब कोई पेंटर राजा की पेंटिंग बनाएगा तो राजा उतने खूबसूरत नहीं लगेंगे, and he can give the punishment also. So every painter has that kind of fear. Finally, one painter was ready. So other people asked him, are you not afraid of the king? He says, no, see my work. He made a beautiful painting of the king, but not from the state. He make a painting from one side. When you make a one side of the painting, the one eye will not be visible and one leg will not be visible, which means you will see the entire portrait of the king, but you will never come to know that king does not have one eye and one leg. So you can see the beauty even in that situation also. So कहने का मतलब है, किसी के इंसान के अंदर कितनी भी कमी हो, it's all depend on us. हम उसमें अच्छी चीज देखते हैं या खराब चीज देखते हैं. I'll give you another example. In the 1996, when BJP was about to come in the power, Advani ji was president of the BJP. But when it comes to prime ministership, it was Vajpayee ji name was pushed to prime minister's. Reason being, Vajpayee ji has better network, better relationship or better acceptance from the other parties, because BJP on its own were not able to make the government. So this network or relationship were very handy, and because of simply that reason, although every policies of BJP, Advani and Vajpayee was together, but Vajpayee ji became the prime minister, and you see till date Advani ji could not even become the prime minister till date also. So that is a benefit of relationship and network. And I'll give one more example from our Hindu mythology. Everyone might have seen the Maharshi Narad. Narad used to goes to everyone, and he has network and relationship everywhere. How Narad used to maintain his relationship. That is the beauty of building or making the relationship. Now in the current situation, I tell you 4 principles of making good relationship with everyone. If you follow these 4 principles, you can make or build a good relationship, good network with everyone. So principle number 1, never tells lie. but that does not means that you will always tell all the truth to everyone. मीन्स कभी झूठ नहीं बोलना है, बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं है सबको सभी सच बता देना है, क्योंकि जब सबको सब सच बताओगे तो उसमें कुछ इश्यूज ऐसे निकलेंगे कि राजा की एक पैर नहीं है, एक आंख नहीं है, एंड पर्सन कैन गेट अनॉयड. प्रिंसिपल नंबर 2, वी नीड टू टॉक पॉजिटिव अबाउट एवरी पर्सन, एवरी सिचुएशन ऑलवेज, एंड ऑब्वियसली it always must be truth. In every situation there is always something good about that. In every person there is always something good about the person. So we should speak what is the good about the situation, what is good about the person, not that what is something bad about that. But again I am saying ये सच होना चाहिए, never speak lies. Principle number 3, we must not talk controversial things or something which can hurt other person. There can be many things in the world, but certain truth things, कुछ सच्चाइयाँ, they can hurt other person. So why to speak something which can hurt other person? Anything which is controversial, let us put aside, otherwise you will not able to build a relationship with the people. And the fourth principle is, whatever your advice can help to other person, give that advice. हमारी किसी भी सलाह से, किसी भी एडवाइस से दूसरे व्यक्ति का कुछ भला हो सकता है, जरूर एडवाइस दीजिए, बिकॉज देयर इज ए प्रिंसिपल, देयर इज ए सेइंग, मोर यू गिव मोर यू गेट. तो जितना आप और लोगों की हेल्प करोगे, लोग आपकी उतनी ही हेल्प करेंगे. तो कीप ऑन हेल्पिंग पीपल बाय गिविंग गुड एडवाइस, गुड इनपुट, एंड दैट इज अनदर रीजन of another way of making a good relationship. So friends, we have discussed about 4 basic principles of making good relationship with everyone. If you follow that, I'm sure you can make a good relationship with everyone. I can conclude with the saying, relationship is an asset and we all must build it. And this asset is the most easily convertible to the currency. We talk about shares, we talk about real estate, we talk about a mutual fund and whatnot. But the most important asset is the relationship and your network with the people that can most easily convertible, and it's a recession free. So let us invest more in the relationship and build relationship and network with everyone. You are always going to be gainer out of this. आपको कभी इससे नुकसान नहीं होगा. So friends, even now, apart from this 4 principle, if you have any other query, any other thing you want to talk, you can always reach out to us through our website or through the mobile number given in the end of the video. Friends, thank you very much for watching us today. Thank you.